Okay, this is part 4 of my transformation and translation series. So in part 4, just like part 3, we're just going to look at a graph and apply a vertical translation and a horizontal translation and see what happens. So we're going to start, just going to draw, some generic graph like you might see on a test. And, I don't know, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. Let's have a point here, and a point here. Okay. So we've got this graph. This represents f of x. Now we're going to do a horizontal and a vertical translation to it. And our new equation, from y equals f of x, we get y minus 3 equals f of x minus 2. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take that negative 3 and I'm going to move it to the other side. You can leave it there and think you do the negative sign here means do the opposite. So instead of going minus 3, you're going to do the opposite of that. You're going to go plus 3 in the up direction. But the way that I like to do it is just bring it over to the other side. So how do I get rid of negative 3? Add 3 to both sides. So my new equation is going to be y equals f of x minus 2 plus 3. And so that negative sign, if you want to think negative, negative is this direction, right? Starting here and going more negative, you're going left. Do the opposite. So we're going to go, the opposite of going left is going right. And we're going to go right 2 units and then do what this sign says. So it says plus 3. We're going to go up 3 units. So first, let's go our up 3 units. So look at the points you've got on your graph and then go up 1, 2, 3 units for that point. This point, 1, 2, 3 units will be up there. And this point going up 1, 2, 3 units. And all I'm doing is looking where the point falls on my y-axis and counting up 1, 2, 3 spaces. And that tells me where my new point is. Then connect the dots. Okay. So we did y equals f of x plus 3. We dealt with our vertical translation, so I'm going to get another color. I've never used my green pen before. Now we're going to deal with this part, y equals x minus 2. So for every point from our new graph, the one we just did, we're going to go move every point right 2 units. So this point, we're going to go right 2 units. Now it's going to be there. This point, we're going to go right 2 units. It's over there. And this point, we're going to go right 1, 2 units over there. And then connect the dots. So I hope you found this helpful, and stay tuned for part 4 when we're going to start talking about transformations and flips and all sorts of crazy stuff. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!